Hello class, welcome to Unit 1.4, Simplifying Square Roots. Before we start simplifying square roots, it's going to be important to take a look at a few definitions. First one being a factor. A factor is a number that divides into another number exactly and without leaving a remainder. So when we look at factors, I like to look at these T-charts where we can list, 16, and if we start looking at all of the factors below, that'd be like 1 and 16, 2 and 8, 4 and 4. That's going to be all of our factor pairs. The reason those factor pairs are going to be so important is because we're going to look at a thing called prime factorization, which is taking a number and breaking it down into factor pairs until we're left with all prime numbers. So let's look at this first example, 32. And if we start looking at, a factor pair, we could really start with any two numbers we want. If you're looking at 32, the first thing you might be looking at is that is divisible by 2 and would break us up into 2 and 16. Now 2 is prime, so we're done there. And we could continue to break up 16 to 4 and 4. They're not prime yet. Both of those have two more factors, 2 times 2 and 2 times 2. So when we look at this example here, we're pretty much kind of got down to all prime factors. The only thing we have left to do is rewrite these listed out, so we could say 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 and times 2. And a lot of times what we're going to do with that is our prime factorization, but using what we know about exponents is really, that is 2 to the 5th. If we look at 76, again, start with two numbers, or a factor pair that would equal 76. So if we look at 2, again, it's an even number, so we could say 2 and 38. Kind of keep breaking it down. Another even number, so if we divide that by 2 and 19, and 19 is prime. So there we are. We're left with 3 prime numbers. So what we can look at doing here is 2 times 2 times 19. This is one way of writing out our prime factorization, but again, we will probably take a minute to combine those bases to 2 to the squared times 19 to get a more official prime factorization. Alright, take a minute here to solve your practice 1.4a, prime factorization. You have 3 examples. Try these out before you continue along your slideshow. Alright, good luck.